को आंसर कौन हम ग्रीनवुड रसेस लिटिल बर्ड कोल्ड विंड CF Alexander God Almighty is very days is beautiful and great तापर को in the poem all thing bright and beautiful the day sun is the described as pleasant summer sun तापर next question the rushes grow by the days water तापर next question होची in the whole thing bright and beautiful the poet say that the mountain is days purple headed the rushes grow by the days by the water the mountain in the poem all thing bright and beautiful is described as days white headed blue headed green headed purple headed next तापरे द्वितीय विषयटा ना एटा ए विषय आवरी क्वेश्चन रही God has given reap fruit days पाचिला फल कोठी मिले भगवानंकर सृष्टिर रहस्य अनुसार पाचिला फल कोठी मिलुला इन द गार्डन God has given us leaves days to apply cosmetics to talk with our friend तापरे कही to speak with our parents to praise his greatness तापरे the cold wind that is created by God blows in days summer spring autumn winter ना autumn बसंत ऋतु ना बसंत ऋतु ऋतु मानक भितर राजा किए बसंत each little flower that open each little bird that days एटा पोएम भितर आसी ट्विटर फ्लाइज चिर्प sings the meadow are very useful for us because days lolo we grow different crops there we play different games there children enjoy playing in it they are always full of grass we play different games there